Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abunwada Biafra. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you about human body parts. Alright, or if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in this video I'm gonna be I have in my list about 71 names of human body parts, okay, in English and in Igbo language. So let's start. Head, isi. Head is isi in Igbo language. Head is this part of the body. Head is this part of the body. This part is called head. Okay, that is isi in Igbo language. Nose, imi. Nose is this part of the body that's on the head. Here, the triangle here, this triangle is what we know as a nose, imi. Ear, nti. Ear, nti. Ear, nti. Nti is this where you put your earring. This part of the body where you put your earring is known as nti, that is ear. Chin, nti. This is nti. Nti. Ear is nti. Chin is nti. Nti. So nti is here. Okay, these two sides that normally pops out on your face. Normally pop out on your face. These two sides, here and here. Okay, they are known as nti. Chin. Okay. Jaw, agba. Jaw, agba. Agba is this part of the head. Okay, this part of the head where the hair, the bears grow. Okay, this part, lower part of the head is called jaw, agba. Beard or mustache. Some people call it mustache. Afo onu is this the jaw, the hairs on the jaw here. The hairs on the jaw is called afo onu. Shoulder, ubu aka. Shoulder, ubu aka. Ubu aka is here. Okay, on top of your hand here, the two sides. We know them as we call them shoulder, that is ubu aka in Igbo language. Upper limb is here. Upper limb is from here, your shoulder to the joint, or the joint here. Okay, the joint from here to here, the shoulder to this joint. Okay, your elbow here. Okay, the joint here. Okay, is called upper limb. Okay, Ukwu, upper limb is Ukwu aka. Ukwu aka. Ukwu aka. Lower limb is Ukwu okwo. Ukwu okwo. Ukwu okwo is here, from here to here. Okay, from here to here is ukwu on your leg, the part of your leg. From here to here is ukwu, while here is ukwu aka. From here to this joint. From here to this joint is ukwu, the lower limb. Ukwu. Okay, knee is ibere ukwu. That ibere ukwu is this joint. Okay, your knee joint. Okay, ibere ukwu. Okay, eyes, anya. Anya is here. These two these two round place here where you use to look at things you see with. It's called Anya. Anya, your eyes. These two eyes is called Anya. Anya in Igbo language. Teeth, eze. Teeth, eze. Eze is inside your mouth. Inside this mouth is the white enamel that is called eze. That is the teeth. You use to bite things. You use to eat something. Okay. Leg, okwu. Leg, okwu. Ukwu is this part of the body from here to down. From here to down. From here to down is okwu. Okay, that's the part of the body known as okwu. Leg. Okay. Waist. Waist, ukwu. Ukwu is this where where you close up your zip of your pants. That's the waist of your pants. Your trouser is where you call is what you call ukwu. Okay. Okay. The waist. Forehead. Eze ihu. Eze ihu. Forehead. Eze ihu is the middle of your head. It's part of the head. The middle here, this white place, the middle here is what we call eze ihu, in front there. Mouth, onu. Onu. Onu is what you use for talking. This is mouth. Okay. Onu. Chest, obi. Chest, obi. Obi is here. Your chest is here. Obi. Okay. Navel, otubo. Navel, otubo. Otubo is this point on your stomach here. This dot here on your stomach is what is called navel. Otubo. Hip. Hip. Hip is ukwu. Ukwu. Remember, ukwu is leg. Ukwu. Ukwu is waist. Ukwu. 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 Okay? Ukwu is leg. Ukwu is waist. Okay? The same thing here. Hips is known as ukwu. Also, ukwu. Hips and waist is ukwu. So hips, waist is somewhere here up. The hip from here to here. Your hip is somewhere here. But we call in Igbo language ukwu. Both of them, the up from here to here, we call ukwu. From the up here to down here. Okay, we call ukwu. To your hip, we call ukwu in Igbo language. Okay? Eyebrow. Eyebrow is Anya. Eyebrow is Anya. That is this arc, two arc here on top of your eyes, two arc here, where you put your eye pencil, is what we call eyebrow. Anya. Eyelash. Eyelash. Anya. Anya is this hair around your eyes. This is your eyes. The hair around, the small hair around your eyes is what we call eyelash. Anya. Anya. Or you say Anya. Okay? Lips. Egbubere ọnụ. Egbubere ọnụ. Egbubere ọnụ. That is where you put the ọnụ is here, is your mouth. So where you put the lipstick, your lipstick area is what we call, where you put the lipstick is what we call egbubere ọnụ. Egbubere ọnụ. Nostril, that is lips. Nostril is oghere imi. Nostril, oghere imi. Oghere imi is this hole, two hole holes in your nose, okay, where you can put your finger inside, okay. Oghere imi, nostril, oghere imi. Face, ihu, face, ihu. Ihu is this part of the head that's in front of the head. All this area is what we call ihu, that is face, ihu in Igbo language. Wrist, wrist is nkwoji aka wrist. Wrist is where you put your watch here, this part of the body. The wrist is here where you put your watch, okay. Is nkwoji aka. Fingernail, fingernail is in Igbo is mbo aka. Mbo aka, mbo aka is this, okay, this square things where you put your cutters, you rub your cutters, okay, is what we call mbo. Mbo, you can say mbo or you say mbo aka to mbo aka. Aka is hand, okay, mbo aka. Fingers, fingers, Mkpuru aka. Fingers, Mkpuru aka. Mkpuru aka is this your 10 fingers, 5 this side, 5 this side. So they are Mkpuru aka. You have 10 fingers. That's Mkpuru aka iri. You have Mkpuru aka iri, 10 fingers. Mkpuru aka iri, okay. Back, azu, back, azu. Azu is this part of the body. This is I have a back picture here, the back of a human being. So the back where we refer as back is this area where I shaded. You can see this orange color here. This is where we call back, okay, back, azu. Buttocks, buttocks, ike. Ike is where this area of the back, okay. The whole this place is a back of a human being, but where we refer as back is this, okay. So the back of the buttocks is at the back here, okay, where you sit on the chair is known as you use to sit on the chair is what we call buttocks. Okay, this buttocks is called ike. That's the back of your, is at the back also. Okay, so arm, we have arm. Arm is Ogwe aka. Ogwe aka. So you can call it Ogwe. Ogwe aka, or you say Ogwe aka. Ogwe, that's a OGBA aka. I will drop that in the description section. You can say Ogwe aka or Ogwe aka, okay. Arm, Ogwe aka, okay. This is Ogwe aka. From here, from shoulder to your wrist. From shoulder to the wrist is called Ogwe aka or Ogwe aka, okay. So elbow is Ibere aka. Ibere aka is this junction, the under this joint, the joint here, under it, that's here, under here, okay, is what we call elbow. That's Ibere aka. Forearm, ala aka. Ala aka is forearm. Ala aka is from this elbow, from this joint to your wrist. From this joint to your wrist is called ala aka. Ala aka. Okay? Hand is aka. Hand is the aka. Aka is from your wrist. This is your wrist to your finger. From this area is is what we call aka. That is hand. Hand. Thigh. Thigh is apata ukwu. Apata ukwu is this here, from here to here, the muscle here on your leg, the up here, where we have upper limb It's almost the same thing with upper limb. The muscle here, apata ukwu, the muscle here is what we call apata ukwu, that is thigh. Foot. Foot is ala ukwu. Ala ukwu. Ala ukwu is here. From here to your toe. From your toe to the back here. Ikiri ukwu. Okay, the back here is what we call foot. Okay, the two legs we call feet. The two of them is your feet. Okay, one is foot. Okay, so we call ala ukwu. Ala ukwu. Thumb. Isi mkpuru aka. Thumb. Isi mkpuru aka. Mkpuru aka is all these mkpuru fingers. Okay, thumb is the isi mkpuru aka, that is the big, the biggest of your finger. That this big one is what we know as thumb. That is what is called thumb. Okay, and it's in Igbo, isi mkpuru aka. Okay, mkpuru aka is fingers, so isi mkpuru aka is the thumb. Okay, so armpit. Armpit is mbaabo. 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 Armpit is this part of the body under your arm. Okay, this is your arm. So under it, inside here, okay, near the breast, under it is what we call mbaabo, that is armpit. Mbaabo. Okay, penis. Penis is the male stuff. Okay, here. Penis is here. Okay, for the male. For the female, vagina we call otto. Okay, in penis is amo. Okay, vagina is otto or ibu. Otto or ibu. Okay, vagina is still is for the female stuff inside here. Okay, so okay, so let's proceed. We have a lot. We have about 71 of them here, so we go through all of them. Okay, we have ankle. Ankle, isi ukwu. Ankle, isi ukwu. Isi ukwu is this place. Okay, the bone here by the side here. There is bone here by the side of your foot, on top of your foot here, on top of your feet. Okay, the 2 feet, that's foot. Okay, on top here there's a bone here, roundish here. Okay, pop out somehow. Okay, this is what we call ankle. Okay, that is what is called ankle. Okay, that is the isi ukwu in Igbo language. Isi ukwu. Okay, isi ukwu. Toe. Toe, mkpuru ukwu. Toe, mkpuru ukwu. Remember, finger is for mkpuru aka, for the hand. Toe is for the leg, mkpuru ukwu. That's this your toe, the toes. Okay, mkpuru ukwu. Finger is mkpuru aka. Brain, obolo. Brain, obolo. Obolo is inside the skull. Okay, or the head, inside the head. The skull on top of, inside your head. Here, inside here. Inside. Okay, the white thing inside the bone there is what we call obolo, brain. Muscle, ike aho. Ike aho. Ike aho is muscle. Muscle always, you can always see muscle here. Upper limb and lower limb. Mostly you see the muscles here. Okay, so ike aho. Intestine, mgbiri afọ. Intestine, mgbiri afọ. Mgbiri afọ is inside your stomach. here is the stomach inside. Okay, where the food, there is a movement of food inside the stomach, is what we call mwere afọ, intestine. Skull, okpokoro isi, okpokoro isi. Okpokoro isi is the bone inside the head. This is the head, the bone inside the head of the head. The bone of the head is what we call skull. That's okpokoro isi. Gum, anyoro. Gum, anyoro. Anyoro, gum is inside your mouth. Okay, the red parts where the teeth where the teeth grow. Okay, the teeth grow from the gum. Okay, is connected, or the teeth, they are connected with the gum. Okay, the red part is called anyoro. Those red places under your teeth is called anyoro. Anyoro. Okay, sclera. Sclera is anya ocha. Anya ocha. Okay, anya ocha. Anya ocha is the white part of the eyes here. The white, this is your eyes, the white part. White part is called anya ocha. Okay, so there's anya ocha. Okay, so there's okay, we are again. Okay, heels. Heels. Okay, heels. Ikiri okwu. Heels, ikiri okwu. Ikiri okwu is here. The heels. Ikiri okwu. Okay, the back of the foot. The back of the foot is known as this place. This place is your heels. That's ikiri okwu. Neck, olu. Olu is in between the head and the shoulder. This short place between the shoulder and the head here is what we call neck, and is olu in Igbo language. Bone, okpukpu. Okpukpu is covered by the flesh. Okay, is the okpukpu that is what makes the body strong. Okay, it's covered by the flesh. Okay, that is the bone. Okay, okpukpu. Artery, vein, nerves. Okay, vein, nerves, artery, where the blood flows. All over the body. They are very fragile. Okay, where the blood flows, they are all called aquara. Aquara. Okay, liver, umeju. Umeju. Liver is somewhere here inside the body. Umeju. Heart, obi. So heart and chest are known as obi. Heart is inside. Chest is outside. Okay. Cheekbone. Cheekbone. Okpukpu. Okay, there's a dot here I didn't put. Okpukpu nti. Okpukpu nti. Or okpukpu. Okay, okpukpu nti. Not nti. Okpukpu nti. There's no dot here. Okpukpu nti. Okay, okpukpu nti is cheekbone. Cheekbone is somewhere here. Okay, your two chin. Okay, here. Cheekbone is inside this place where we call here cheekbone is nti. Okay, nti, not nti, nti. Okay, so okpukpu nti, not nti, nti. So there's no dot here. Okay, so sole, obo ukwu. Sole, obo ukwu. Obo ukwu. Obo ukwu is where you march on the floor, under your foot. Under your foot where you march on the floor. Okay, is what we call obo ukwu. Obo ukwu. Okay, so obo ukwu. Okay, stomach is afo. Afo is here. All this area is what we call afo. Okay, toenail, that's mbo okwu. Mbo okwu is here. Okay, the nails where you put your cutters. Okay, here is mbo aka, where you put the cutters. Mbo okwu, this is mbo okwu. Okay, mbo okwu. Hair, ntutu. Okay, hair is this, the hairs. Okay, we have hair on the head. Okay, this is the hair on the head. That's ntutu isi for the head. So this is a hair on the jaw. That's ntutu aba. Okay, the hair on the body we call ntutu aho. Okay, so hair is ntutu. Okay, skin is anu aho, skin. That is all the body is covered. Is covered by the skin, by your skin. Okay, skin is aho. Okay, anus, ikensi is where you poo. Okay, the hole is called anus, where you poo from. Okay, ikensi. Tongue, ile is inside your mouth. The long red stuff inside your mouth is called tongue. That is ire. Big toe, isi mkpuru okwu. Remember, thumb is for the hand, isi mkpuru aka. Big toe is isi mkpuru okwu. Okay, isi mkpuru okwu is this, the big toe. This big toe here, this big one is called isi mkpuru okwu. Isi mkpuru aka is the thumb, this big one. Okay, so dorsum is a Latin word for back. Okay, so azu aka, that's the back of your hand. Okay, dorsum is referred to as a back. Okay, azu aka, that's the back of your hand. Is azu aka. That's dorsum in English language. English is a Latin word. Okay, English, they got it from a Latin word known as dorsum. That's the back of your hand. Okay, it's called azu aka in Igbo language. Azu aka. Okay, so another thing is we have a lot. Okay, so breast is ara. Ara is this. Okay, the children used to suck, baby used to suck breast. Okay, ara in Igbo. Instep is elu ukwu. Elu ukwu is here. This part of your leg, of your foot, the top of your foot is called elu ukwu. This bigger area, okay, of the foot, the top here, is called instep. Okay, instep, elu ukwu. Okay, blood, obara. Obara is what flows in your vein, your artery and stuff like that. Obara, blood. Okay, palm, ogbe aka. Ogbe aka is obo aka. palm. Obu aka. Obu aka is here. Okay, inside your hand. Okay, here, inside. Okay, is obu aka. Okay, obu ukwu is under your foot. Obu ukwu, obu aka. Okay, kidney, akuru. Kidney is akuru. Kidney is inside your body. Throat, akpiri. Akpiri is inside your neck. Okay, akpiri is inside your neck. Akpiri, throat. Okay, iris, anya ojii. Anya ojii. Anya ojii. Anya ojii is this the black eye. This black eye is anya ojii. This black eye is anya ojii. Okay, we call it Mkpuru Anya. We call it Mkpuru Anya or anya ojii or Mkpuru Anya. Mkpuru Anya, that's the black eye. Or you say anya ojii. In English is iris. Okay. Okay. Ogiriga. Ogiriga is lips. Lips. I didn't put in English language. Okay, is lips.